Hello, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the incredible world of nutrition and wellness. Today we're diving deep into the versatile and nutritious world of sunflower seeds. They're more than just a snack. Sunflower seeds have been enjoyed for centuries for their delicious taste and impressive nutritional profile. These tiny seeds are packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. Let's start by discussing the nutritional powerhouse that is sunflower seeds. These little gems are rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of the standout features of sunflower seeds is their high content of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation in the body. Sunflower seeds are also an excellent source of protein, with about 6 grams per ounce. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, as well as for supporting muscle growth and maintenance. Another popular way to enjoy sunflower seeds is by using sunflower seed butter, which is made by grinding roasted sunflower seeds into a creamy spread. Sunflower seed butter is a great alternative to peanut butter for those with nut allergies, and it's also lower in saturated fat and higher in vitamin E. Sunflower seed butter is not only delicious, but it's also incredibly nutritious. It's rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, and vitamins like vitamin E, which acts as a powerful antioxidant in the body. Spread it on toast, use it as a dip for fruit slices, or blend it into smoothies for a tasty and nutritious boost. Sunflower seeds can also be used to add a crunchy texture and nutty flavor to savory dishes. Try using ground sunflower seeds as a coating for chicken or fish before baking or frying for a delicious and nutritious meal. You can also sprinkle sunflower seeds on top of salads, soups, or roasted vegetables for added flavor and crunch. If you're a fan of homemade granola, why not add some sunflower seeds to the mix? Sunflower seeds can add a delicious crunch to your favorite granola recipe, along with a boost of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. And let's not forget about sunflower seed pesto. This flavorful sauce is made by blending roasted sunflower seeds with fresh basil, garlic, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese until smooth and creamy. Use it as a spread for sandwiches, a sauce for pasta, or a dip for vegetable sticks for a tasty and nutritious twist on a classic favorite. Last but not least, why not add some sunflower seeds to your morning smoothie? These little seeds can add a creamy texture and nutty flavor to your favorite smoothie recipe while also providing a boost of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. So there you have it, folks. Sunflower seeds are more than just a snack. Whether you're enjoying them on their own, using them to make sunflower seed butter, adding them to savory dishes, or blending them into sauces and smoothies, sunflower seeds are a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and nutrition tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.